Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
The courageous decision made by father. I told him in another 2-3 days he will have a complete death because he is already brain dead. At that time, father said, I would like my son to live in other people, and we had suggestions. We had put this notice on the Noto and Roto side, and we got a request for heart from Reliance HN Hospital Mumbai as per their priority, and we got a liver request from Ahmedabad, which is a place of our Central Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya ji, and the liver was given to Ahmedabad, heart was given to Reliance Mumbai, and the best part was both the kidneys were matching with our patients in Goa Medical College. We had 4 patients of waitlist for AB positive blood group, of which 2 patients have received kidney. They have already been given kidney, and they are young patients. In fact, one patient is 37 years, the other patient is somewhere early 40s. So they will have normal life. The both implantations of the kidneys have been successful. Patients are in ICU and doing well. And we also received a message that heart which was given has been transplanted to a patient in HN Hospital Mumbai, and the patient is doing well, but they are in ICU. Even the Ahmedabad liver transplant has gone very successful.
भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेन ट्वीट करून अवयव दान केल्ल्या फॅमिलीची तोखणाय केली. गजाल खंय सल्यूट करपा सारखी. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.